At Kime Lumber Company, like many organizations, we rely on printed procedures manuals and paper-based training systems. While these have served us well in the past, they come with hidden costs: time, efficiency, and the environment. Paper manuals are bulky, easily outdated, and hard to navigate. They consume valuable time and, perhaps most importantly, they consume natural resources, contributing to deforestation and waste. But there's a better way. By transitioning from print to digital, Kime can reduce waste, improve efficiency, and empower employees with easily accessible, up-to-date information, all in a format that's interactive and user-friendly. Interactive PDFs and video tutorials are not just eco-friendly, they also save time and money. Employees can quickly access exactly what they need with just a few clicks, reducing the learning curve and improving efficiency. At Kime, sustainability is at the core of our mission. Moving to digital training not only improves internal processes, but also aligns with our long-term goal of reducing our carbon footprint and preserving our natural resources for future generations. By investing in this digital transformation, Kime can improve training processes, boost employee engagement, and contribute to a more sustainable future, benefiting both our people and the planet. The future of training is digital. Let's make the switch to interactive PDFs and video tutorials, save time, reduce waste, and move Kime toward a more sustainable future.